how do you move from victim? Okay? Normally kasi, yung negative emotion comes from the victim mindset. Diba? Naisahan ako from victim to victor. Hindi from victim to villain. Ha? So, you need to aim for mutual victory between you and the people. No? So, in the change process, it's important to recognize that. We need to recognize ano-ano yung mga common emotional traps during change. Una, yung being overwhelmed. So, feeling overloaded with uncertainty resulting in indecision and irritability. Pagka merong mangyayari, ito na yata ikatatanggal ko, di ba? Yung gano'n, ano natin, di ba? I think it's important to be realistic, pero wag naman pessimistic. And then yung control urge, trying to force certainty even when full clarity is not yet possible. Merong mga tao na, for the lack of a better term, ay control freak. So any kind of change throws them off. We try to control everything, you control nothing. So yan.